Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning on how we can fix your PC needs to be repaired error, the 0xc000000f error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, first we need to enter the automatic repair loop. So since if you have already entered the automatic repair loop, then you can just go directly to the troubleshoot option there. And if you haven't still entered to the automatic repair loop, all you need to do is just to press and hold the shift key and then click on the restart button. And then once you have already entered in the automatic repair loop, then we need to go to the troubleshoot option and then click on the advanced options and proceed with command prompt. So here I'll be showing you on how you can type the command in the command prompt window. So let me just quickly open the command prompt option here, or the command prompt window. So once you're in the command prompt, all you need to do is just to type the following commands that I'm going to show you. First is boot rec space / fix mbr. And then once done typing, just please click on enter. And then the next thing you need to do is just type bcedit space / export space c colon / bcd backup. And then once done typing, just please click on enter again. And then the next thing you need to do is just to type attrib space c colon / boot / bcd space hyphen h space hyphen r space hyphen s. And once done typing, just please click on enter. And then the next thing is ren space c colon / boot / bcd space bcd dot old or old. And then once done typing, just please click on enter again. And then we need to type boot rec space / rebuild bcd, and then click on enter. And then type now exit, click on enter, and then you will now be exiting the window, and then it will reboot your system. And then just click on continue, and then it will reboot your system. Once you're done with the commands, you have now successfully fixed the problem, and then you have now successfully repaired your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So just follow the commands that I have shown you, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.